This is the back of my 4Runner. I don't know if you can see, there's a little camera somewhere right there at the top. A little bit dirty, but see if you can see it. Right there. Bam. Show you what that looks like in a bit. Alright, this is my 4Runner. Alright, I got that fit cam here. It's a little bit bigger. The stock one stops about here where the sensor thing is or something, but this one is a little bit, sticks out a little bit more. And then I had the, the garage thingy, no, the auto dimming mirror, because the garage thing is here. On some of the other Toyotas and Lexuses, the buttons for the home link is here. But the one I got was just auto dimming. I replaced it with this. This is a Wolfbox, same thing as kind of like a Vantop, or there's some other brands on Amazon. But basically it's just a rear view mirror. Oh, but it turns on. Oh, that's the back. What's cool about this, I'm gonna close the door so it doesn't beep anymore. What's cool about this is if you actually look behind me, I can only really see, the door part of the light switch, but here I see a lot more past the door, past the light switch, so it has like wide angle. Basically just two cables, one for the power, one for the rear view mirror, and that, or a camera, review camera, and you can see that camera. It's that little black thing that's sticking right there. So I ran the wire. Let me show you what that looks like. But this is pretty cool because not only can I see better behind me, so if I have a bunch of shit in my trunk, the camera will still work. I can also go up and down. Ooh, damn, look at that. Can't do that from like here. So it angles down pretty well. I mean, I don't really use that as a backup cam because I got an anytime backup cam here, so I don't really use that for that. Okay, so let me just go back here. Okay, all right, and then I can also, oh, this is the front of my car, so it's recording the front of my car too. And then bam, you can get two if you want, or reverse that. So it's pretty cool. Pretty sleek, looks OEM. There's a camera. You can also move this around more. So then you can also adjust up and down for the front, but then you could also move it a little bit more. This is custom 3D back plate. I didn't want to do the whole rubber band thing because that shit vibrates and looks tacky and is huge. So I just, did that custom thing. Let me show you some of the wiring. Turn off my car. Oh, turned it on, turn it off. It's about a hardwire kit for this, so then this can go into the fuse box, but I haven't wired it up yet. Oh, check out these tail lights. All right, let me show you that. There's a camera right there. The only thing with this one is, depending on the placement, I placed it up pretty high and inside. So if the mirror is kind of dirty, it's going to be hard to see. But at any time, you could always turn off the camera. I ran the wire up, one of these little knob things is behind there. I don't know if you can see it. So I kind of hit it, and then it runs here, bam, down here, somewhere here, and then down there, and then all the way up front. So wire is pretty clean. Let me show you how it looks like from the front. Damn, TEs, man. TEs. All right. So it's not even that noticeable. The was it that fitted cam thing? It's right there. Sticks down a little bit. Doesn't bother me at all. Don't even notice it. And then there's a mirror right there. A little bit hard to see. I got front tint, but yeah, it's It's not too bad. That's what it looks like from this side. Again, oh, you know, this is what the setup looks like.